This Easter weekend, Ireland remembers 1916. On Sunday morning at 10 a.m, the largest military parade the country has ever seen will set out from St Stephen's Green. 2,500 members of the Army, the Air Corps and the Navy in full ceremonial uniform will be joined on the 4.5-kilometre route by members of An Garda Síochána, Dublin Fire Brigade and other emergency services personnel. To ensure that everyone can see the parade, there will be 22 large public viewing screens along the route and 5 additional viewing areas with screens at Trinity College, King's Inn, Smithfield Market, Stephen's Green and Merrion Square. At midday, the parade will reach the GPO on O'Connell Street, where the proclamation will be read. The flag will be raised and a wreath will be laid by the President on behalf of the people of Ireland. After this formal ceremony, the parade will continue on its route, ending at Bolton Street at 3 p.m. The formal commemorations will continue the following day with synchronised wreath layings at 7 iconic Dublin locations and 4 more around the country: Cork, Enniscorthy, Ashbourne and Athenry, marking the precise moment, 1:15 p.m, when the rising began on Easter Monday 1916. On Easter Monday, we will also celebrate the rich cultural life we enjoy today, part of the legacy of the 1916 generation. RTE Reflecting the Rising, in partnership with Ireland 2016, will be the largest cultural event this country has ever seen, with special family zones, hundreds of talks, walking tours, music, dance, street art, street theatre, and moments of reflection and celebration throughout our nation's capital. Starting at 11 a.m. and continuing until 6 p.m, this will be a special day for everyone. Easter Monday will draw to a close with Centenary, a hugely ambitious RTE broadcast event telling the story of Ireland through music, dance and imagery. For further details about these and other Easter weekend events, see ireland.ie. Easter 2016, a nation remembers.